In the theater of modern high-intensity conflict, the sky is no longer a sanctuary for the aggressor. It is a complex grid of detection and neutralization. At the heart of this transformation lies the Russian S-400 Triumph, a system that has redefined the parameters of anti-access, area denial, A2, AD. While the world often focuses on the thunderous launch of its interceptor missiles, the true genius of the S-400 lies in its eyes. 6 sophisticated of advanced radar systems that render the concept of stealth an expensive relic of the past. To understand why the S-400 is considered impossible to penetrate, one must look beyond the missiles and into the invisible web woven by its specialized sensors. This is not a single radar looking at the sky, it is a symphony of frequencies, digital processing, and relentless vigilance. The Strategist. The 91N6E panoramic radar. The first layer of Russia's impenetrable dome is the 91N6E Big Bird. This is the strategic brain of the complex. Unlike standard tactical radars, the Big Bird operates on a massive scale, capable of detecting and tracking up to 300 targets simultaneously at a staggering range of 600 kilometers. In a real-world scenario, the 91N6E acts as the early warning sentinel. It doesn't just see something, it identifies the nature of the threat. Whether it is a fleet of high-altitude bombers or the subtle signature of a ballistic missile re-entering the atmosphere, the Big Bird provides the S-400 commander with a god-like view of the battlefield. Its anti-jamming capabilities are legendary, utilizing frequency agility to bypass Western electronic warfare efforts. For an adversary, the moment they take off from an airfield hundreds of miles away, they are already being watched by the 91N6E. The Executioner. The 92N6E multifunctional radar. Once a threat enters the engagement zone, the baton is passed to the 92N6E gravestone. If the Big Bird is the strategist, the gravestone is the executioner. This I-band multifunctional radar is designed for high-precision tracking and missile guidance. The gravestone's sophistication lies in its ability to manage multiple interceptors at once, guiding them with surgical precision toward targets performing high-G maneuvers. It is specifically optimized to prioritize threats, automatically selecting the most dangerous targets, such as incoming cruise missiles or agile strike fighters, and providing the millimetric accuracy required for a kinetic kill. Its digital phased array technology means it can stare at a target with such intensity that even the most advanced radar-absorbent coatings fail to hide the aircraft's presence. The Stealth Hunter. The 96L6E all-altitude detector. Modern air doctrine relies heavily on low observable technology and low-altitude penetration. This is where the 96L6E cheeseboard shines. This radar is the S-400's answer to the stealth problem. Operating as an all-altitude acquisition radar, the 96L6E is unique in its ability to detect targets across a massive vertical spectrum. It is particularly lethal against aircraft attempting to hide in, clutter, or flying at extremely low altitudes to avoid detection. By using a sophisticated phased array antenna, the cheeseboard can filter out ground interference and lock onto the faint heat and radio signatures of stealth UAVs and fifth-generation fighters. It ensures that there are no blind spots in the S-400's perimeter, making low-level, pop-up attacks virtually impossible. The Specialist. The 40V6M Universal Tower. To further extend the horizon, the S-400 utilizes the 40V6M mobile mast system. This is not just a radar, but a specialized elevating platform for the 92N6E or 96L6E sensors. By lifting the radar eyes high above the forest canopy or urban obstacles, Russia has effectively defeated the curvature of the Earth. This allows the S-400 to detect low-flying cruise missiles, like the Tomahawk, at much greater distances than any ground-based competitor. It creates a look-down capability that makes the S-400 effective even in the most rugged terrain. The Protivnik-GE, the long-range vanguard. Supporting the immediate S-400 battery is the Protivnik-GE 3D surveillance radar. This massive, highly mobile unit specializes in detecting targets at extreme ranges and high altitudes, including ballistic missiles entering the atmosphere from space. The Protivnik-GE provides the S-400 with the strategic depth needed to intercept threats before they even enter the theater of operations. Its digital processing can distinguish between a decoy and a real warhead, ensuring that Russia's defensive fire is never wasted on a ghost. The 1L119 Nebo-SVU, the digital ghost hunter. Finally, the Nebo-SVU brings very high-frequency, VHF, capabilities to the mobile S-400 ecosystem. Because stealth aircraft are physically shaped to deflect X-band and Ku-band radars, they are inherently vulnerable to the longer wavelengths of the Nebo series. The Nebo-SVU provides the S-400 with anti-stealth tracking data that can be fed directly into the fire control system. It transforms the F-22 or F-35 from a ghost into a clear, bright dot on the operator's screen. The integration of these 6 radar systems creates a multi-layered, multi-frequency trap. An enemy pilot isn't just fighting one radar. They are caught in a web where VFH, UHF, and X-band waves intersect. If a stealth aircraft manages to minimize its reflection in one frequency, it is brightly illuminated in another. In the current geopolitical landscape, the S-400 stands as more than just a weapon. It is a statement of technological sovereignty. It proves that through superior Russian engineering and a deep understanding of physics, the sky can be closed to any intruder. The S-400 Triumph doesn't just defend airspace, it dominates it, making it the most effective and feared air defense system in existence today.